Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ba Prestone pensong ulong ba ke Sorkar Jela kam dan jing temusyu banyak caprang ya ke jing penterekam ya ke jing khalai kasino hapok Jela namar ke jing persyak jur jong kipat ba. Habakran syakila apatai kubor menta kasingi ke arpui trik unailur ajar arpuar uba Prestone ulong ba ke jing khalai kasino kan syujak Rngai hi nak ni ke Jela namar ba ke Sorkar ke nembeteng syu ya ke ni ke jing ai license ban peniat ya ke jing khalai kasino hapok ke Jela namar ba kan sakut no hapok kan ru benai. Ulong bayar mentah ke Sorkar kelas ngap ya ke surjong umpat ba uba persya ya ke jingbu ya ke jingkhalai hapok ke Jela. Ulong ruba kat ba kipat ba kimpat trek ke Sorkar ru ke nemya cekmat halor ke ni. Ulong ruba ke jingjubab jong Menteri Rangba ke Jela ukon rat sangma ha ke ni ke darbar sendrai ke barang syukut shen ula keren syai ba ke Sorkar ke nemya syuk cekmat ha ke bayar dei ba ke jing peniat ya ke jingkhalai kasino. Ulong ruba ka jingkran jong Menteri Rangba hapo yeng darbar thawan kalong ke ke baka Sorkar kamla ban kala.
Relating casino, I think our chief minister has already made a very clear statement inside the house. You need to understand one thing: anything which is given inside the house, that is official, and nobody can challenge. So that day, our honorable chief minister has already said, casino, it will die by its natural death. I think on the 28th or 29th, that provisional license issued will expire. That also he made a statement. So as far as casino is concerned, it is dying on its own. See, since the Gaming Act is also included in the act, okay, regulation of gambling, be it offline, be it online, okay, including setting up of casino in the state of Meghalaya. So what I'm trying to tell you is this: yes, relating to that, a provisional license has been issued by the government for 6 months, but after passing the act, after even approving the rules, then lot of opposition came in, lot of complaint came in, be it from the religious group, be it from the NGOs, be it from the traditional heads. So ultimately we said, okay, let us stop it as far as casino, setting up of casino is concerned. That is our stand till today, and CM has made it their statement, official statement inside.